Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to create a monitor test plan in JMeter. Let's start by adding a thread group to our test plan. I'm going to change the number of threads to 2 and the loop count to infinite. Next, add the HTTP request sampler to the thread group and enter a server name and port number for a server that you would like to monitor. Now I'm going to add a constant timer and specify a thread delay of 2 seconds. Next, I'm going to add bunch of listeners to my thread group, such as view results tree, aggregate graph, graph results, response time graph, and view results in table. This completes our test setup. To execute the test, click on the green start button. It looks like our test is running as expected. If you switch to the aggregate graph view, you can look at the average, median, 90% line, and so on for the latency numbers. Similarly, the graph results view will show you a live view of data being plotted. In the response time graph view, you can set the interval to 1 second and display the graph. Finally, in view results in table node, you can see the results of individual HTTP requests in a table format. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.